That goose up there just kicked a seagull out of its spot. Alright, so both of my seagulls flew away, so now I have that very, very tiny one to watch. But the goose is still here. I have moved my spot over there to sitting on the ground over here because the seagulls will not stop flying around. There's one on that rock. They've been flying around the end of the pier and towards the far side of Trinidad Head. I feel like a news reporter out here in the rain.